Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're tackling a super common issue for many Android users: thermal throttling and performance dips. We're going to show you how to install a thermal optimization module using Magisk Vexirox, a fantastic solution for non-rooted Android phones. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While Magisk Vexirox offers a non-root way to install modules, it's important to understand that not all Magisk modules will work flawlessly. The beauty of Vexirox is that it provides a way to experiment and potentially unlock some great features without needing full root access. For this demonstration, I'm actually using an older version of Magisk Vexirox, specifically version 3.4. I found that newer versions were continuously crashing on my particular ROM, so sticking with 3.4 has given me the most stable experience. Your mileage may vary, but if you encounter issues, consider trying an older stable version. Alright, let's get into the installation steps. First things first, you'll need to have Magisk Vexirox downloaded and installed on your phone. You'll see a few options here. We want to head over to the Modules section. Now, to add a new module, we're going to tap on the plus icon, usually located somewhere on the screen. This will bring up a selection of slots, typically from 1 to 20. These slots are where your modules will reside. You can select any slot you prefer. For this example, I'm going to choose the first slot. Once you select a slot, Magisk Vexirox will redirect you to your phone's file manager. After selecting the module, you'll see an arrow button, often pointing right or resembling an install or confirm icon. Tap on that button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, Magisk Vexirox, you will immediately see the changes. And that's it. Your thermal optimization module should now be installed and active on your non-rooted Android phone using Magisk Vexirox. You might notice improved performance, especially during demanding tasks, as your device will be better at managing heat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or other modules you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.